Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to recover and secure an Amazon Seller Central account. Let's get into it. Losing access to an Amazon Seller Central account can be stressful, especially when it happens during a critical time. Maybe you need to check inventory, update pricing, or launch a campaign, and suddenly you're locked out because you can't receive your OTP code. The good news is Amazon has a recovery system, and with the right setup, you can secure your account to prevent this from happening again. When you create a Seller Central account, it's tied to a regular Amazon.com account. That means you can use Amazon's two-step verification recovery system to reset your login credentials. This process clears the current OTP method and allows you to regain access. To use this recovery, you'll need to submit valid identification. Acceptable documents include a passport, driver's license, state ID, or voter registration card. A passport is usually the best option since it's widely recognized and reduces delays. Sensitive details such as identification numbers should be covered before uploading, but your name and address must remain visible. Unlike standard support requests, this recovery is reviewed manually by Amazon's security team. They verify the documentation before approving access, which usually takes 1 to 2 business days. While the wait may feel inconvenient, this step is important because it prevents unauthorized access and protects your business. Once approved, you'll be able to reset your password, update your OTP method, and log back in. Now let's talk about prevention. Many sellers rely on phone numbers for OTP verification. While convenient, it's also the weakest option. Phones can be lost, numbers can change, and SIM cards can be hijacked through a process called SIM swapping. If that happens, a hacker could gain access to your OTP and lock you out of your own account. A more secure method is using an authenticator application. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy generate time-based codes that refresh every 30 seconds. These codes are stored locally on your device and don't depend on a phone number, which makes them much harder to compromise. Another option is pairing OTP with a password manager such as 1Password or LastPass. These tools allow you to store OTP setup keys and generate codes directly inside your password vault. This way, even if you change devices, you can still log in securely. Setting this up is simple. When Amazon provides a QR code or setup key for OTP, scan or paste it into your authenticator or password manager. From then on, you'll have access to rotating secure codes. Password managers also provide another benefit. They create and store strong, unique passwords. Many can even schedule reminders or automatically rotate passwords, which adds another layer of protection on top of OTP. By combining a password manager with an authenticator, you significantly reduce the chances of being locked out. To summarize, if you lose your OTP code, don't panic. Use Amazon's two-step verification recovery, submit proper ID, and wait for manual review. Once you're back in, avoid relying solely on a phone number. Instead, set up an authenticator app or password manager for OTP. This not only secures your account, but also ensures you always have access, even if your phone is lost or replaced. Your Seller Central account is the backbone of your Amazon business. Without access, operations come to a halt. Taking the time to set up stronger security today means fewer risks tomorrow and more confidence as you scale your brand. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.